Today we are addressing the question of whether or not public schools should utilize organic products, including meat and produce, in their lunch programs.
First, I'll explain what the label organic actually means. Organic is defined by the USDA National Organic Standards Board in April 1995 as an ecological production management system that promotes and enhances biodiversity, biological cycles, and soil biological activity. It is based on the minimal use of off-farm inputs and on management practices that restore, maintain, and enhance ecological harmony. The principal guidelines for organic production are to use materials and practices that enhance the ecological balance of natural systems and that integrate the parts of the farming system into an ecological whole. Organic agricultural practices cannot ensure that products are completely free of residues. However, methods are used to minimize pollution from air, soil, and water. The primary goal of organic agriculture is to optimize the health and productivity of interdependent communities of all soil life, plants, animals, and people. Although organic food has been viewed by the public as better than conventionally grown and produced items, in reality there are many studies and instances that disprove the beliefs surrounding the strengths of organic farming. For example, many people like organic farming for it aims for a reduction of external and off-farm inputs and elimination of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers and other materials such as hormones and antibiotics. Although it has been proven that such pesticides used in crops can cause health effects, it has not been proven whether the levels used in conventional farming are high enough to cause harmful diseases and effects. Organic farming entails the use of biological control, crop rotations, and other techniques to manage weeds, insects, and diseases. Even though organic farming attempts to use crop rotations to its advantage, some organic farmers actually end up causing more erosion than non-organic farmers by practicing crop rotation. This is due to the fact that they are prone to over-tilling the soil in order to eliminate weeds. And now for a fun fact, courtesy of a source compiled in the National Agricultural Library. Did you know that if you consumed an average apple, you would be eating over 30 pesticides, even after you have washed it? In order to be labeled organic, fruits and veggies cannot be grown with the use of pesticides. It's important to remember that although it has been proven that such pesticides used in crops can cause health problems, it has not been proven whether the levels used in conventional farming are high enough to cause these harmful diseases and effects. A study done by the Rodale Institute dealt with the nitrate leaching occurring in the soil from non-organic synthetic fertilizers on crops such as legumes. According to this study, the aim was to prevent misbalanced nutrient levels and over-enrichment with nutrients that could result in environmental issues. Agriculture is a major source of nitrogen loss to the environment. Two major scientific bodies recently named nitrogen pollution as one of the Earth's preeminent problems. Phosphorus can also be a significant source of nutrient contamination for surface waters. Along with nitrogen, soil phosphorus levels have a strong impact on crop yield and quality. In many aquatic environments, algae and plant growth is more limited by phosphorus than by nitrogen. Therefore, aquatic phosphorus levels are becoming a prime factor in water quality evaluation. Improving nitrogen fertilization practices is crucial to control excessive nitrate contamination of groundwater. By the end of the experiment, synthetic chemical
fertilizer produced only high yields of legumes, but did little or nothing to improve soil, phosphorus, and nitrogen content. In conclusion, public schools should not switch over to an all-organic food system. The amount of money that would be spent on such a product would not be worth it, because as this video proved, organic is not always better. It is more costly, and the supposed benefits of it have not been studied enough.